always taking a weight-bearing scan with the structure sensor, make sure you give yourself enough room to maneuver yourself around the patient, as we'll have to be scanning posteriorly along the back. Select both feet from the app. You can be standing for the scan. Make sure you're comfortable. You don't need to crouch down like this, and point the scanner at the 2 feet, making sure that the feet are within view of the box and highlighted red completely. Then press scan. And this is when you'll slowly maneuver around the feet. You can crouch down at this point to capture the medial arches, and you'll be slowly walking around back, capturing the Achilles, and posteriorly along the calcaneus. When you're maneuvering around the foot, you'll notice the feet spray painting white. When everything's spray painted white, you can press done. The scan will once again render, and you'll be able to save it as a weight-bearing scan.